Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. I thought on this Monday we would do our morning meeting together. So I have all my stuff ready to go. Let's see what we have to do. We have to do our letters this week. And we have 2 letters this week. We have the letter C and we have the letter O. C, O. Now let's focus on the letter C for now. We have C is for cat. Cat. And we have an uppercase C and we have a lowercase c. So let's practice writing our uppercase C with our sky writing. So take out your pointer finger, start at the skyline, go around and down to the grass line, pick up and erase. And that one's very easy, so good job. Let's do that one again. We start at the skyline, we go around and down to the grass line, pick up and erase. Good job, friends. So that was our uppercase C. Now let's do our lowercase c. We notice that they look very, very alike. One's just bigger. So our uppercase C is bigger than our lowercase c. So let's write that one. So of course, with our lowercase letters, we start at the plain line. So let's start at the plain line and we go around to the grass line and pick up and erase. And that's it. So it's just like the uppercase C, but instead of starting at the skyline, we start at the plain line. So let's try it again. So we're at the plain line, we go around and down to the grass line, pick up and erase. Good job, friends. Now let's go over to the letter O. O is for owl. Or, like in our foundations card, we have octopus. Octopus. So, let's practice writing our letter O. I'll get that in a second, no problem. So for our uppercase O, we start at the skyline. We go down to the grass line and back up to the skyline. Pick up and erase. And that's it, nice and simple too. So let's do that one again. We start at the skyline. We go around and down to the grass line and back up to the skyline. Pick up and erase. Good job. Now we see our lowercase o looks like our uppercase O, but just smaller. So that's going to be easy. Let's try writing our lowercase o. We start at the plain line. We go around to the grass line and back up to the plain line. Pick up and erase. And that's it. Let's try it again. We start at the plain line. We go around and down to the grass line and back up to the sky line. And we pick up and erase. Good job. So this week we're going to do work with the letter C and the letter O. Perfect. Now, friends, I dropped what we were going to do for our rectangle and triangles. So let me pick that up real quick because my rectangle dropped. And you can see this is my rectangle. I have a box that I write notes in to myself, but it's a rectangle. It has 4 sides. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. This side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. So that's what makes it a rectangle. Ooh, and if I flip it like this, it's still a rectangle. And if I flip it like this, it's still a rectangle. And if I flip it like this, it's still a rectangle. So much fun. Now let's look at our triangle again. I brought back my cheese because I love my Green Bay Packers. So a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And it has 3 points. 1, 2, 3. And we learned last week that a right triangle is different from this triangle. So there's all different types of triangles. So we're going to focus more on triangles this weekend. It's going to be so much fun. Now, I'll put that to the side and we'll do our calendar. I have my puppy calendar up. Let's go to the month of April. So we are in the month of April. It's April 20th, 2020. And it is Monday. So it's Monday, April 20th, 2020. So one more time. Monday, April 2020. April 20th, 2020. And I have a cool surprise today. Is Mashiro's birthday. So if you want, send her a happy birthday message. I think she would like that very much. Now, since we talked about that it's Monday, let's do our Days of the Week song. Ready? You sing along with me. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Good job, friends. So, of course, let's do our weather. So we're going to sing our song first. And then we're going to look outside to see the weather. So let's sing the song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy out today? So friends, let's look out the window. It looks a little cloudy today. Not so sunny, but maybe the sun will come out later, so it's cloudy out. And let's see, this week we're also going to do a lot more about animals. So last week we talked about caring for pets, and this week we're going to talk about sharing the world with animals. So just like we share the world with people, we have to share the world with animals. And just like we share our toys with our classmates or our siblings, we have to share the world with animals. And we'll talk a lot more about that during the week. All right, friends, I hope you have a happy Monday. Do your worksheets, do your Scholastic. Send us pictures. We would love to see you guys. And if you have any questions, let us know. Have a great Monday. We'll see you soon.